Welcome to the Business Analytics channel. My name is Sohan, and I'm thrilled to be launching this channel to share my passion for data analysis and business insights with you. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply interested in the fascinating world of data-driven decision-making, you've come to the right place. On this channel, you'll find a wide variety of classes, tutorials, and discussions on topics such as data visualization, predictive modeling, market research, customer segmentation, optimization. My goal is to provide business intelligence skills and much more in today's data-driven economy. By learning how to analyze data effectively and make informed decisions, you'll be able to stand out in your field and achieve your career goals. But don't worry, you don't need to be a math genius or a programming expert to follow along. I'll make sure to explain everything in plain language and step-by-step demonstrations so that you can grasp the concepts easily and put them into practice right away. So, if you're ready to join me on this exciting journey of business analytics, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Thanks for watching.